Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois, where I have over 200 hand-picked cars in my private collection that I am selling to the general public. And you guys can check out all my cars at mgmclassiccars.com. Today I have this 1968 Dodge Charger real RT car that we'll go over. The body on the car is perfectly straight. There are no dings, no dents, and no scratches, okay? As you can see, it's got a very stock appearance to it. There are some mild bolt-on things that have been upgraded throughout its years. So I'm gonna walk around the car and shut up a little bit and let you guys just take it in on what it is. As you can see here, this one has been upgraded with the cross-drilled four-wheel power disc brakes. Beautiful paint job. I would say 9 out of 10. Glass trim, chrome, weather stripping, all in great condition. Great reflection. They even left a little Daimler Chrysler emblem there, how it normally came. Usually during restoration, a lot of guys just take that off because it looks odd. But they left it on, which is great. So let's get under the hood. Like I mentioned to you guys, this is a original 440 RT car. This particular 440 that's in this car is a period correct motor. Stock manifolds, as you can see. Upgraded air conditioning kit. No overheating problems, but really, really clean. Nice core support, as you can see, all painted. Fender tag is all there. You guys can decode that, look at my photos. Upgraded chrome booster with master cylinder. Shut off for the battery. Catch can in chrome, upgraded. Beautiful, clean engine compartment. The owner has taken this car to multiple shows this past year. If you're wondering what kind of transmission it is in this car, like I said, it has been upgraded a little bit. It's a 4L60E. What that means is that it's in automatic with an overdrive, so you can enjoy your cruises on the freeways, expressways, long tours. You got plenty of room in the back seat. You got a big trunk for your luggage if you wanted to tour with the car. Maybe do the touring cross country with it. Okay. I did mention to you the four-wheel power disc brakes. AC kit we talked about. This particular RT has an 8 3/4 posi rear end, 323 gear ratio, which again gives you the freedom of driving this car 80, 90, 100, 120 miles an hour on the freeway, and your RPMs are not blazing up there. Wondering when this car was completed? About 7 years ago. And we do have that documented. What I'm going to do is grab the keys. I want to show you guys the trunk first, and then we'll get into the interior part of the car. Super clean, restored condition again. Okay, there's your spare. Beautiful trunk. Your spare tire and your assembly, jack assembly set up there. Service manual. Beautiful. This here is an SD card where you can plug it into your computer, and this will show you step by step pictures of the entire restoration of this car. This car also has been through the hands of Dave Weiss, Barrett Jackson. Okay. This here is documentation about the RT and the service notes. Also wiring diagram. Information, engine and trans rear end. EFI and fuel system. Ignition, trans, Mosier rear axles, brake, steering, exhaust, and wheel setup, exhaust system, like I said, the steering, okay, the interior dash setup, body trim, lighting, and wiring setup. All documented, guys. Okay. Underneath of this RT is in very good condition as well, and you guys can check that out on my slideshow. Like new. Inner and outer jambs are excellent. Door lips are excellent. Interior is the deluxe with the leather setup. Factory console car. Beautiful dash. Back seat with the seat belts. Headliner. So since this is a fuel injection car, there is no need of pumping the gas to start it. Let me just open up my garage door here. Okay. Tilt wheel. Beautiful gauges. Lenses are crisp and clear. In the on position. Fuel pump kicks in. Even the clock works. flashers, lights, everything comes on, turn signals. Got the modern style radio, wipers. All the fan switches are very easy to move around. They've been upgraded. Heat air conditioning does work excellent. As you can see, the blue light comes on. Yep. Beautiful. Let's listen to this thing purr. Doors do open like they should. There you have it, folks. My 1968 Dodge Charger Real RT 440 overdrive transmission, four-wheel power disc brakes, tilt wheel, cold air conditioning, everything functions, modern radio. Really, what else do you want? If you guys and gals are looking for financing, that's what we specialize in here at MGM as well. This particular car here, you would need $10,000 for a down payment, okay? And the rest can be financed. Now, if your credit score is in the 800s, I do have a no money down option, okay? Rates today, as of November 12th, 2024, rates start at about 6.94%, and everything depends on your credits, you know, the income, your debt. But that's what we can do for you guys as far as financing. Now, if you need delivery, you can call or text me. I would prefer text. I do these videos daily. We buy cars daily, as you can see here in our showroom. This is just showroom number 1, okay? So it would prefer text message. And again, for delivery, I would just ask you to send me your zip code. And what I can do is send you a quote back for delivery, okay? So that number, if you have a pen handy, I can be reached at area code 847-848-1850. I also have another 68. So again, that's my cell number. You can text me at 847-848-1850. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street here in Addison, Illinois. We have a 36,000 square foot warehouse with hand-picked beautiful cars that I always wanted when I was a kid. And now I'm lucky enough to have my business and show you guys my collection of hand-picked cars from across the country that we travel on the weekends and try and get some good deals and tell you guys about them here at MGM. So if you guys have any other questions pertaining to anything, any vehicle, any financing, any shipping, any warranties, we definitely can help you out. We do have warranty packages available for the classic cars as well. So keep that in mind. You have my phone number. Thank you for watching MGM. My name is Thomas, and I can be reached at again at area code 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.